Hi friends, my name is Rishabh Gartanaur and in today's class we will see what do you mean by correlation. We will define the correlation in terms. Correlation is a statistic technique used to determine if there is a relationship between the two variables and how strong that the relationship is. We will use Pearson's correlation coefficient, which measures the linear relationship between variables. Now here is the code which is used to calculate the correlationship. Now we will first set up the environment. We will include libraries as pandas for the data manipulation and CP for the calculating the correlation coefficient. Now we will see. Now here x and y are the input that is given in the questions, and now let us write a Python script. We will write a Python script, and here we can see already I have written a Python script, and open a text editor or edit the Python script, and we will now write a program for this script. Now here we will import a necessary library. As I said, the sample data set will be given in the question, and we will upload this data set as the input for the code and compute the correlation coefficient and the p values, and also generate a correlation matrix using the pandas. Next we will execute it, and the output here we can now see the output. That is basically we are giving the input as x and y values, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and the y values that are 2 3 4 5 6, and here data frame pd dot data frame data it is used for the data frame input, and the correlation coefficient p value is considered. The Pearson correlation coefficient, the values, the answers are here. We can see here the Pearson coefficient correlation 0.1, p value is 0. The correlation matrix is it is also defined here, that is correlation matrix in terms of x 0.1, y is also 0.1. and now we will this is the code for the correlation coefficient. Now the Pearson coefficient is 1.1 and indicates a perfect positive linear relationship between the variable x and y. If the p value is 0, then it is suggested that the correlation is statistically significant. This correlation varies only between the unity, that is from -1 to +1. It is one of the property of the correlation that it ranges from the -1 to +1. And now we will see now we will see what do you mean by correlation. As we have defined earlier, correlation is a statistical technique that is used to determine if the relationship of two variables and how strong the relationship is between those variables, and it is usually defined by R. It is a linear relationship between the variables. Thank you for watching the videos.